A small intro about face fitness, who are all hearing for the first time. So face fitness is just a workout for our face muscles. Our face has more than 43 muscles, and just like the rest of the body, these muscles can weaken and sag over time. So face fitness uses simple exercises, massage techniques, lymphatic drainage, and posture corrections to tone and strengthen those muscles. So simple exercises and massages improves blood circulation and boosts the blood flow. It relaxes the tensed muscles and gives your skin a healthy glow. Lymphatic drainage helps flush out toxins and reduces puffiness for a fresh look. It's a gentle way to release trapped fluids and leave your skin less swollen and more radiant. It's your face natural detox and depuffing system. We will be having fat pads like natural cushions under our skin. So that gives the face its shape, fullness, and youthful look. As we age, these fat pads shrink and it will shift, which can cause sagging, hollow areas, or deeper lines. So this self-care routine not only changes how your face looks, but also how confident and refreshed you feel every day. Some of the benefits of face fitness. It will lift and tone the face naturally. It will reduce the puffiness by improving the circulation and lymphatic drainage. It smoothens all the fine lines and wrinkles with consistent practice. It defines the jawline, cheekbones by strengthening facial muscles. It relieves the tensions from the face, jaw, and forehead. Suppose if you are explaining something to somebody, or seriously discussing something about something. So you used to raise your foreheads or you used to frown your eyebrows. So there that forehead wrinkles and the lemon lines will be formed. So these will imprint the permanent mark on your skin as the days, weeks and months and years pass by. So to reduce that, if you do the face fitness exercises, it will reduce and smoothens all the fine lines and expression lines. It improves the blood flow for a natural glow. It corrects the posture and tongue habits that affect the facial shape. So most of us we are sitting the whole day in front of the desk for long hours. So because of that, we are straining our neck and the posture becomes wrong. And there is a habit of keeping the tongue, like the right way of keeping your tongue is keep your tongue to the roof of touching to the roof of your mouth like this. So this is the right way of keeping your tongue. So if you keep it down, it will push the muscles down and it will sag and you'll get the double chin. So face fitness boosts the confidence by helping you look fresh, youthful and energized. So this simple self-care you can do anytime, anywhere, just a few minutes a day. So now all of you take your mobile and take a selfie of your front and side face so that at the end of this 15 days workshop, you can see how much visible results you have got, how much you have progressed and how much yet to progress.